So I had an opportunity to drive a bone stock manual Mark V Supra around our home track at New York Safety Track, doing our normal hot lap setup where I do one warm-up lap, 2 hot laps, and 1 cool-down lap. And I wanted to compare my best lap in the Supra compared to my best lap my first day out in my C5 Corvette when it was bone stock. I want to address 2 things though with this, because with the last video, I got a lot of comments and some were valid that I'm not going to push someone else's car like I would push my own car, or I'm not as comfortable with someone else's car like I am my own car, but I'm going to compare it to a lap my very first session out on track with my C5 Corvette. So I have literally the same amount of track experience with the Supra as I did the C5. And I was still pretty nervous driving the C5 hard because it was my first time out with it. I think this is a really good barometer to really measure these 2 cars up and exactly how close they are in times with a car that is 20-something years old comparatively to a car that is brand new today. Let's hit the track and see what times I lay down in the new Supra versus my C5 Corvette when it was bone stock.
I'm not even pushing it! I'm only gonna do 2 hot laps. 1 more hot lap, then a cool down. We'll see how we do. That was a 143. Alright, the car's getting a little squirrely now. The tires are definitely hot. It's great. Oh my god. I want one now. It doesn't have a back seat. That's going to be the only reason I won't buy one. Probably could trail brake that, but I'm not gonna do it.
A lot of you guys are right. I'm not going to be able to push someone else's car like I can mine. I'm not going to trail brake it or really come out and into turns as hot as I really can in a car that I'm really comfortable with and one that I own. I'm not going to go 7, 8, 9, 10 tenths in someone else's car, but I can still lay down a good lap with similar braking zones that I feel comfortable with the car after a few laps where I get a feel for it. Not pushing it to the edge, but to still lay down a decent lap time. And I was able to do that with this car. It felt so planted and so stable. I could really rotate the back of the car really well with the limited slip in this. It really was an awesome, awesome car to drive. And I'm interested to see what the owner will do on track with it now that he's got a bunch of modifications done to it. His time in his car was about 2 tenths faster than my time in his car on the same day that we both went out. So the car is awesome. I really want to see what he lays down the next time he goes out to the track because I think he could get into the 130s with this car. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this, also let me know as well. Make sure to check out lobeboostfilms.com. I have a great sale going on for Black Friday. Ends on Tuesday. You can get a whole bunch of merch, Low Boost Film stuff, and help support our channel. I have car parts and stuff on there as well. And if you can't wait until next week's video, make sure to check out these videos that I already have ready to go.